buhat di pamili na. Kaya pagpantod ko'y paganya o Google, kalisod na sila. Dili kami problema ang atong gibuhat karon because we are following the lesson script. Muna ni Sir Mario, follow lang yun ta. As an observer with an auto COT, we will be using COT tool or just the monitoring tool na ito gigamit. As an observer, ang haradyo what is our objective? Kining atong objective, makita ba ni sa teacher nato during the general session. Nga, during the delivery of the lesson, nga, ang iyang objective na-realize ba niya sa general session? In attaining those, nakita na nato sa ginuhan ni Ma'am Ulina. Congratulations. Dili mo mupagpak. And of course, mag-advise din promoting to principal nga sa may kasunod ang isa ranking pupuhon, another congratulations puhon. And then, sa nakita na nato sa demonstration ni Ma'am Elena, at ipakita niya ang kanang as development of concept. Dili siguro mo ka-relate ani mga secondary schools tungod kay higher naman ang inyo. But for the kanang grade 1 teacher, we should start with the concrete, semi-concrete, semi-abstract, and abstract. So, sama itong ipakita niya nga concrete, katong sayal, nasayal siya as in, that is a concrete example in developing the concept. Whether it is for mathematics or ano niya karon nga we are developing a concept of S. Then, the semi-concrete, mao na itong drawing, picture, semi-abstract, katong isuwat nimo, and abstract ka nag-isulti na yun. That is the fundamentals in developing concepts para makasabot yun ang atong learner. I-share lang po nini as a part of pag-congratulate ni Matilda. Tungkol kay once upon a time, I was a combination teacher for 4 years handling grades 1 and 2. And it is not easy to develop concept. Kung kita mismo, we are not ganang lively as Prias and Matilda. So again, as part of the whole, itantanan, good luck all sa first day of class this coming Monday. And of course, show what we have done today, nga makita na to in the implementation of our matatag curriculum sa atong respective mga classrooms. Thank you and good afternoon.